Welcome to my channel, guys. I go by NY Crypto Investor, and in today's video, I'm going to be covering the Drip Faucet. But before I get started, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just simply trying to educate and provide helpful information that you can either use as a guide or a reference. So, with that being said, do your own research, guys. It's the best thing. It's the best thing for your journey in crypto, especially if you're new. Um, I'm just trying to provide information based on my experience, so that you guys hopefully don't make some of the same mistakes that I made. So, getting that out of the way, let's go ahead and let's get into this video now. So, for the new people out there, guys and gals, right? This is basically a contract on the Binance Smart Chain that was created by developer Forex Shark. You could look him up, do your own research. You can find them on Twitter. Also, there's a Telegram channel. I'll be providing the links below in the description of this video. So yeah, guys, it's all part of the process. But getting back to the protocol. So this contract is basically a certificate of deposit, right? The Drip Network's faucet is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on investment up to 365%, right? So it's like going to a bank, purchasing a CD for an extended period of time, whether it be 6 months, a year, 2 years, right? You're gonna have to sign an agreement. You're not gonna have access to those funds until the until the term or the contract expires, right? So in the Drip Faucet, when you make a deposit, right after you purchase your Drip tokens and you make a deposit into the faucet, right? Those funds you no longer have immediate access to. And what I mean by that is you will get paid out 1% daily in Drip tokens based on your total deposits, right? You're not getting paid out in dollars, you're getting paid out in Drip tokens, right? So once you understand, right, what it is that this contract entails, right, you want to continue to do your research and you're going to click on the white paper and you're going to read through this instruction manual, right? You're going to learn all about the protocol. You're going to understand what you're signing, what you're agreeing to, what the terms and conditions are, so that you're not left in the dark. Okay, so always read the white paper when you're looking at any protocol. Read the white paper thoroughly, ask questions, jump in the discords and the telegrams, you know, look on YouTube, especially when it comes to the Drip Network. We're a very well-known protocol. We have a very large community. We literally, we act in unison. We're a very tight-knit community, and we take pride in that. So just know that this is not just your average protocol. You know, you're gonna be you're gonna be motivated. You're gonna be helped along the way. If you have questions, we're gonna do our best to answer those questions. We want you to feel, I want you to feel completely, safe with your investment. The Drip Network, specifically the Drip Faucet and the Reservoir, have been functioning for over 16 months now, which is pretty much unheard of in the DeFi space. So that's just something else to take into consideration. right? And these are all things that you should be researching on your own. Obviously, you want to invest your money into a reputable protocol with a strong team, with a strong community. All that is gonna, all that is a should be a factor into your decision making process. So, with the drip faucet, I feel 100% safe, especially knowing that this contract is immutable, meaning that it cannot be altered, it cannot be changed. Therefore, it is going to do what it was created to do, and that is to pay you out 1% daily up to 365%. So, if you wanted to take full advantage of that opportunity, you would make a deposit, and you would compound or hydrate for 365 days to maximize your profits. So it's common sense. It's not financial advice. It's just the way this system was designed. It's designed for the long term investor. Now, it's totally up to you. Just in my opinion, um, me personally, I have a long term mindset, and when I invested into the Drip Network, I went in with a long term mindset, because I've seen the results um, while doing my research. So that's why I feel comfortable and I feel confident moving forward. And I'm definitely looking forward to all the utility that's on the way. I'm going to be making videos about that as well, so stay tuned. But just getting back to the faucet, I didn't mean to go off track there, but I just want you to be informed. I want you to be well aware of what you're getting into, um, and it's for your own benefit. So yeah, so you would have to have BNB in your wallet in order to swap it out for drip tokens. So the first step would be to purchase BNB if you don't already have it. And I already uploaded a video explaining how to purchase BNB if you don't have direct access to BNB via Binance. You can start from Coinbase, and I demonstrate that in a video that I recently uploaded. So you can definitely go ahead and check that out um, on my channel. This is the video here. Um, it shows you how to go purchase Drip step by step from Coinbase, and I also explain how to buy Drip BUSD LP tokens and Pigs BUSD LP tokens. Um, so once you have the BNB in your wallet, you want to change the slippage to 1%, or at least I always do. Um, you know, Basically that just allows you to purchase your drip tokens at the lowest possible price. I might be wrong about that, but I just changed it to 1%. So let's just say you have one BNB. Okay, so it's not gonna let me demonstrate that for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna connect my wallet. Okay, so I have point one BNB in my wallet, but let's just say you had one BNB. That would get you 36 drip. So at the current price. So drip is currently $7.36. So you would be getting 36 drip tokens for your one BNB, um, based on this current price here. So I'm not going to purchase any drip right now, but I do have 1.4 drip in my wallet, and I currently have 16 drip tokens available that I can either claim or hydrate slash recompound back into the system. So like I stated earlier, I'm in this for the long term. So I've just been pretty much compounding for about 8 months now, going on 9. I'm definitely trying to reach max payout, which is 100,000 drip tokens. Um, Again, so that's why I don't pay any mind to this number here, because my goal is to reach 100,000 drip tokens, and that would be the equivalent of 27,000 deposits approximately. So um, once you have your drip tokens and your available balance, um, before you can deposit them, you would you would need a buddy address. It's one of the requirements initially, um, that you use someone's buddy address. Once you sign in, once you sign up under somebody's team, you then have the ability to start your own team. But in order to do that, you would have to purchase B-Reap token. So for starters, you would have to have 2 B-Reap token in your wallet if you wanted to start building your own team and earning referral rewards. So as you can see here, I only have one team member, and so far I've earned 16 drip tokens or referral rewards. Um, so I'm looking to build a team. I just haven't, I haven't really been aggressive about it. Um, I'm not actually, that's not why I'm making these videos. I will be providing my referral link in the description of this video, but you can use anybody's buddy address. That's totally up to you. So I'm just going to show you what that would look like. Um, so basically, once you have a buddy address that you're going to use, you would come here, you copy and paste, or if you clicked on a link, on a particular link, um, it's automatically going to pop up here, but you just want to make sure that you update it, and then once you've done that, you would go ahead and deposit the amount of drip tokens. Um, so for me, I currently have 1.4, and I'm going to go ahead and make that deposit. And what that's going to do is it's going to also hydrate my available balance automatically. So it's going to combine my drip balance in my wallet with my available balance here, and it's going to deposit it for me. Also, keep in mind, um, anything, any amount of drip tokens that you deposit initially, there will be a 10% tax on all deposits. So, for example, if you were to deposit, let's say, 10 drip tokens, you will be taxed 1% of that, which is probably going to leave you with about 9 drip tokens in your total deposits. So just be mindful of that. And that applies to every deposit um, and claim as well. Um, for compounding or hydrating, there is a 5% tax. Those taxes are directed to a tax vault, which basically pays out all the players the 1% daily drip tokens. So that's part of the mechanics. Um, it's been running flawlessly for over 16 months now. It has continued to pay out 1% daily as it was created to do. And that's why I remain confident in this protocol. And with all the utility that's on the way. We have the animal farm that's getting ready to launch on October 18th. Stay tuned for some videos about the animal farm and some of the strategies that I'm going to be using moving forward. Um, so I think that about sums it up. You know what? Take that back. I'm going to go ahead and make that deposit. I'm sorry. So again, my available balance plus my balance in my wallet is going to be added to my deposits. So I'm going to click deposit. You're going to see a pop-up window here. Um, that's basically confirming the transaction. Once you click confirm, your tokens will be deposited into the Drip Faucet. You will not be able to withdraw them all at once. You would be able to earn your 1% daily, and that amount you will be able to withdraw or recompound. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. Deposit successful. So see that my balance is now 1,618. So it took approximately one drip token in tax, approximately. But just be mindful. So whenever you're making a deposit, and you're not going to see the exact amount of tokens that you deposited because there is a 10% tax. So I think that about sums it up. Um, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll definitely be replying to any questions. You can follow me on Twitter. Again, my social media links are on my YouTube channel, right up on the right hand corner. Um, like and subscribe to my channel. You guys, I'm just trying to provide, like I said, just some helpful information um, for new investors. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.